Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ian McCollum, and I want to talk to you for just a moment today about a cool and I think under-recognized element of the Kickstarter campaign for our new book, my new book, Forged in Snow, Finnish Small Arms 1917 to 2025, and that is posters. We are producing 3 very cool posters as part of the book launch. One of them is on the Mosin, one of them is on the Finnish AK, and one of them is on the Suomi submachine gun. Now, up until this point, they've only been available as add-on items for people who pledge to purchase a copy of the book itself, but we are actually adding a new pledge level that is specifically just a 3-pack of each of the posters. So that's now available over on the Kickstarter page. If you're interested, you can check it out. These 3 posters in specific, well, the first one focuses on the Mosin. We cover everything from the very early Finnish M91s. In fact, the first Mosin on the poster is an SAT barreled, one of the 200 or so guns rebarreled with the first rifle barrels manufactured in Finland, and then it goes all the way through to a number of sniper variants of the M39 that were used during the Continuation War. So it is the scope of Finnish Mosin development, covers both the Civil Guard and the military guns, the 27s, early and late 27s, the M28s, 2830, like this one, the M39. It's very cool to put those all together on one page and be able to see them side by side. And I should say the photography for the posters is done by James Rupley, who is our outstanding photographer for the book, as well, he's been the photographer for all of my head stamp books, as well as the Vickers Guide series, and his photography is unparalleled. It looks fantastic on the poster. The second poster focuses on the Finnish Kalashnikov, the AKs, as we call them in the US, typically Valmets. Although only some of them were made by Valmet. They were also made by Sako. Anyway, the poster starts with the very first prototype made by Valmet that would go on to get it the design for what became the RK-62 in Finnish military service. We have a second trials prototype. We have the RK-60 guns, the ones that they made a couple hundred of them for actual troop trials. They're kind of funky and different from the final adopted guns. We then have the early guns, the late guns, the developments through the different handguards, the different grips, the different details on the stocks, stamped receivers, folding stocks, all of the different varieties of Finnish AK that were used by the Finnish military, concluding with the RK-95, made in the 90s, and the modernized RK-62s, built on guns rather like this one, but modernized for current day urban and tactical combat operations. So that's a really cool one. Pictures of a whole bunch of Finnish AKs that you do not generally see out there. Then our third and final poster focuses on the Suomi submachine gun. And not just the Finnish ones, but also the various export models like this Swedish M3739 Suomi. So this poster includes the original KP26 or M26 Suomi in 7.65 Parabellum with its really curved, rather Shosha-like magazine. Then the standard M31 Suomis in Finnish military use. Some of the export models that were attempted, guns with things like vertical front grips and bipods, as well as the actual export models. So in particular, we have the Swedish, the Swiss, and the Danish production versions of the Suomi, and then some of the late war and post-war prototypes that were developed as well. So all 3 of these posters are available either individually or as a bundled package as add-ons to everyone pledges for a copy of Forged in Snow. And like I said, we have now also added a 3-pack of posters as a specific pledge level itself, in case that's all that you are actually looking for. So check out the Kickstarter campaign over at Kickstarter, obviously. Links in the description text below. I am very excited to bring this book to you, as well as the posters. There is some tremendously cool stuff in it, and I know you're going to like it. Thanks for watching.